Understanding the complexity of Social Security and commercial law. The Social Security system and its connection to financial and legal structures in the United States can often appear convoluted. At the core of this system is the Social Security number, SSN, which acts as a contractual link between individuals and the Federal Reserve System. This document aims to clarify key aspects of the system, including its origins, implications, and potential pathways for addressing perceived inequities. By providing an overview of the relevant laws and procedures, we seek to illuminate the mechanisms that underpin these interactions. The origins of Social Security and its link to commerce. The Social Security system was originally designed to assist metropolitan areas and certain states facing financial strain. It provided a mechanism for access to assets that supported these regions. Over time, however, the SSN became a broader tool for interfacing with the Federal Reserve System. The SSN effectively ties individuals to statutory laws, allowing the government to access and utilize personal assets under specific conditions. This raises significant questions about the nature of this relationship and the extent of its impact on individual autonomy. The role of the birth certificate and Federal Reserve. The birth certificate serves as a foundational document within this framework. Some interpretations suggest that the birth certificate grants commercial authority to entities such as the Federal Reserve Bank. The Treasury Department, in turn, compensates debts brought to the Federal Reserve or its associated banks. This complex interaction underscores the interconnectedness of financial institutions and personal legal identities. Navigating the Social Security system. Termination and control. One pathway to addressing concerns about the SSN involves filing a notice of termination of agency. This action seeks to sever the contractual relationship between an individual and the Social Security system, effectively transferring control back to the individual. Such actions are rooted in the argument that the Social Security system operates as a quasi-contractual agreement, one that individuals may challenge if they believe it was established under fraudulent pretenses. Social Security and the age of majority. A key point of contention is the contractual validity of the Social Security system before an individual reaches the age of majority, 18 years old. The Social Security card itself states that it is not to be signed until the holder turns 18, signaling the delayed activation of the contract. This distinction highlights the importance of understanding the legal and financial implications tied to the Social Security system. The 1099 Forms, Tools for Financial Adjustment. Various 1099 forms, such as the 1099-B and 1099-C, play crucial roles in addressing financial discrepancies within this system. For example, 1099-B, used to reconcile transactions and collapse inflated Federal Reserve dollars into real assets. 1099-C, cancels debts and reduces inflationary pressures caused by excessive money creation. 1099-Cap, facilitates corporate control changes, transferring assets and liabilities to new structures, such as living trusts. These tools enable individuals to navigate and potentially mitigate the complexities of the financial system. The legal foundation, comptroller and monetary policy. The comptroller's role is pivotal in managing financial accounts, including unclaimed funds and assets tied to SSNs. Legal definitions, such as those found in Bouvier's Law Dictionary, provide insights into the obligations of the Treasury and other financial institutions. For instance, the 3-year rule for settling accounts ensures accountability and transparency within the financial system. Living trusts and estate management. Living trusts offer a pathway to reclaim control over assets and interests traditionally tied to the Social Security system. By establishing a trust, individuals can consolidate their estates and protect their assets from external claims. This approach aligns with the principle that estates cannot hold interest, necessitating the conversion of assets into trusts to ensure proper management. Practical steps for reclaiming control. Terminate Social Security contracts. File appropriate forms to sever ties with the Social Security system. Establish a living trust. Consolidate your estate and interests into a trust for better management. Use 1099 forms strategically, address discrepancies and manage assets effectively within the financial system. Conclusion: empowerment through knowledge. Understanding the intricacies of the Social Security system and its financial implications is essential for individuals seeking greater autonomy. By leveraging legal tools and establishing living trusts, individuals can navigate this complex landscape with confidence and clarity. This process begins with education and the willingness to explore alternative pathways to financial and legal independence. This information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us. We neither endorse or discredit it. Make your own decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel.